Here we've got HTC Desire 12S, and let me show you how to activate and use TalkBack on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then find and select accessibility, right here, and go to TalkBack. Right here you can smoothly and easily activate this feature by tapping on this indicator. Then confirm that you would like to do it. Here you can go through the whole tutorial with 3 lessons, right here, 5 lessons actually, but let me go back, because basically all you need to know is written here. So let me volume it up a bit so you can hear it clearly. And I will just mark it so you can hear what's really important.
When TalkBack is on, it provides spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. This can be helpful for people who are blind or have low vision. To navigate using TalkBack, swipe right or left to move between items. Double tap to activate an item. Drag 2 fingers to scroll. To turn off TalkBack, tap the switch. You'll see a green outline. Double tap the switch. On the confirmation message, tap OK. Then double tap OK in list 2 items. Volume controls hidden.
So this is it. As you could hear, all you need to do to switch off TalkBack once needed is to mark the switcher, double tap, and confirm that you want to do it. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.